Are there any free alternatives to Stremio?
In this video, we'll be exploring some free alternatives to Stremio for streaming movies, TV shows, and other content. Stremio is a popular platform that allows users to discover, organize, and watch video content from different sources, but there are other options available if you're looking for a free alternative.
What is Stremio?
Stremio is a media center software that allows you to watch movies, TV shows, and live TV channels from different sources in one place. It also includes features like tracking your favorite content, creating playlists, and receiving notifications for new episodes. However, some users might be looking for free alternatives to this platform.
What are some free alternatives to Stremio?
1. Kodi, an open-source media center that supports a wide range of add-ons and can be customized to suit your preferences. 2. Plex offers a user-friendly interface and allows you to stream your own media files, in addition to offering free, ad-supported streaming of movies and TV shows. 3. Popcorn Time focuses on streaming movies and TV shows from torrent sources, offering a vast library of content. Note that using Popcorn Time may involve legal risks in some jurisdictions.
Are these alternatives safe?
While these free alternatives can offer a similar experience to Stremio, it's important to ensure that you're using them safely and legally. Always use official websites to download the software and avoid third-party sources. Additionally, be cautious when installing add-ons or plugins, as some may contain malware or facilitate access to copyrighted content.
What should I consider when choosing a free alternative to Stremio?
1. Content availability. Does the platform offer the content you're interested in? 2. Ease of use. Is the interface user-friendly and easy to navigate? 3. Customization options. Can you customize the platform to suit your preferences? 4. Safety and legality. Is the platform safe to use and does it operate within the boundaries of the law? In summary, there are several free alternatives to Stremio, such as Kodi, Plex, and Popcorn Time. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and functionality, so consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right one for you. Remember to use these platforms safely and responsibly, and always download software from official sources.